In front of me is Motorola Moto G100, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select security, and here click on fingerprint. Let's draw the unlock pattern if you have one. And actually there is one fingerprint already added. Let me add the second one. Obviously if it's the first one, you are doing it the same way. So just tap on add fingerprint, and now you need to touch and lift the sensor. So let me grab it here, and here you've got the sensor. Just tap on the power button, because this is the sensor, so just lift your finger up and then place it on the sensor, just like this. You can see the progress right in front of you. And that's it. As you can see, the fingerprint is added. Tap on done. And now, let me just go back to the classic look of the device. And now you can unlock your device either with this previous pattern that you had, or with your fingerprint only. So let me grab the device and just touch it here to unlock your Motorola. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.